Welcome to Benson Nature's Preschool, where every day is a beautiful adventure.
Wow! Look at this beautiful morning. I love exploring the woods.
Remember, Benson, exploration requires observation, not just running around.
Yes! The scientific data says today is perfect for discovering nature's wonders.
Yay! Speed! Energy! Let's find something exciting right now! Right now! Help! Oh, listen! The forest is singing a very happy song today.
Oh! Look! Look at that branch! What is that big red thing?
Wow! It is the biggest, juiciest apple in the whole forest.
My tummy is rumbling. I want to eat this whole delicious apple right now.
Oh. I am so hungry. I looked for acorns all morning but found nothing. Oh no! Pepper is very hungry. But if I share, my apple will be smaller.
Whew! I walked so far to collect leaves. I have no energy left to go home.
Well, Benson, you have a big treasure, but your friends really need help. What will you do? I can feel their sadness. Helping them would make their hearts feel so warm. It looks so tasty. I really want it all. But seeing my friends sad hurts my heart too. Hello, little ones. I see a big dilemma under the beautiful oak tree today. Look, Benson. True strength is not keeping everything. A seed must share itself with the earth to grow. Sharing multiplies your joy. When you give, you build a bridge of love that lasts forever.
Arf! Whew! Bonnie is right, young pup. In my long life, the sweetest fruits were always the ones shared. An apple eaten alone disappears in a minute. An apple shared creates a lifetime memory.
Oh, I get it now. My tummy is important, but my friends are much more important. Yay! One big piece for Pepper. One big piece for Toby. And one piece for me.
Wow! Thank you, Benson! This is the sweetest, crispiest apple ever! Yum! Oh, incredible! My energy levels are fully restored. Thank you, kind leader character in Image 2.
Brilliant execution, Benson. But wait, I have a logical formula to make this even better. If we gather together, we can use our pieces to bake a giant, magnificent apple pie. Oh, yes! A baking party! I will fetch the sweet golden honey from the garden.
I got the bowl. I got the spoon. Let's mix it, smash it, bake it real fast.
Adding exactly 3 cups of flour for the perfect crust scientific balance.
Look at us go! Working together makes everything so much fun. Go, team!
Whew. The aroma of friendship is baking nicely. Patience brings the best rewards.
Ta-da! The giant shared apple pie is ready! A masterpiece created by love!
Wow!
This tastes 1,000,000 times better than eating one apple all by myself.
When we share our hearts, our friendship becomes as sweet as this pie. My logical conclusion. Happiness is only real when shared with others.
A successful team experiment. We turned one apple into a feast for everyone.
Time for our comprehensive recap. Remember, a great problem is solved when we choose kindness over greed.
Yes! If you find something wonderful, don't hide it. Share it to make it grow.
Let's review our EQ. It is okay to feel selfish sometimes, but we must recognize that feeling.
Take a deep breath, think about how your friends feel, and choose love to manage your emotions.
Action plan. Share your toys at school and help your family with chores at home every day.
Do it fast. Do it now. Helping others is the coolest superpower you can have. Sharing builds trust. It turns simple classmates into a loyal, lifelong family.
A kind word or a small share can brighten someone's entire dark day.
Think bigger. We have a social responsibility to protect our nature and support those who are weak. Protect the forest. Help the elders. Be a community hero every single day.
True leaders don't stand above others. True leaders lift others up so everyone can shine together.
Be brave. Be kind. Believe in yourself and lead the world with a big sharing heart.
Parents, if you love learning with us, please click like and subscribe for more wonderful adventures. Thank you for watching Benson Nature's Preschool. See you next time. Goodbye. Do the Benson shake. Shake, shake. Wiggle and giggle for goodness sake. Do the Benson shake. Jump, jump, jump. Wag your tail. Thump, thump, thump. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3. Everybody shake with me.